Hello students, welcome in your English class. Today we will discuss on the topic The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Today we will discuss about the objectives, introduction of the author, previous knowledge, introduction of the story, detailed summary, comparative points of the two schools. Comparison between the two schools with the help of picture. Now we will learn about or we will know about more about the author. Isaac Asimov was born on 2nd January 1920 in Russia. He migrated with his family to the United States and became a biochemistry professor. He published his first novel, The Table in Sky, 1950. He wrote or he penned nearly 500 books. He also published his work like Robert and Foundation Trilogy. He died in New York City on 6 April 1992. A brief introduction about the author Isaac Asimov. Name Isaac Asimov. Occupation writer. Birthday 2 January 1920. Date of death 6 April 1992. Education Columbia University, Boston University of Medicine. Birthplace Russia. Place of death New York. And originally his name was Isaak, and Asimov, the originally Ozimov. Isaac Asimov was also known for writing books on wide variety of subjects outside of science fiction, taking on topics like astronomy, biology, maths, religion, and literary biography. A small sample of notable titles include The Human Body, Asimov's Guide to the Bible, The Mystery of Murder, and his 1979 autobiography In Memory Yet Green. I want to ask to you, what kind of school would you want to have in future? What kind of school would you have, or what kind of school would you want to have in future? How much will the computer be involved in future education? Will you feel more happy in a more developed high technology society? If you are happy, then you have to give the reason. But if you are not feeling happy with high technology society, high techno society, then you must also give the reason for your unhappiness. Okay. If I will ask that which kind of school would you want to have in future, I think answer will be numerous. Okay, the answer will be various. Some student would say that that school will be on Mars. Some student would say that the school will be on computer, mechanical teacher. Students would be taught by a mechanical teacher. Okay, so on. Introduction of the story. Isaac Asimov depicted a school system which is independent on human teacher and based on technical advance. The main advantages is that the individual teaching can more train the personal talent. In this system, there are no human mistake and it is a perfect way to give every child the same knowledge and information. But there are some disadvantages too. Human peoples do not learn like a computer. I think learning has to be kind of fun. Otherwise, the possibility of forgetting is higher. Studies have come to the result that you can learn things better if you have fun while you are learning. Learning will be better if you are finding fun in learning. Okay? If there is a no fun, the study is boring, then you will not able to learn the things will be not, the learning will be not permanently. Okay, you will be forget if the study is not interesting. There is, if there is no fun, then you will, there will be more chances of forgetting. Now another disadvantage is that there are no social relationship like at school today. At school today, today's school, there are more sentiments, communication, more fun, interesting, okay, and social interactions are also there at today's school. If a child lives in a neighborhood with no other children, it is alone and has no social relationship. There will be no friend circle, no social interaction will be there with other children. Learning with friends at school can be a motivation. Learning with friends at school can be more interesting. Okay? At school today, the pupils improve their communication. The student learn more while doing, okay, with their peer group and their behavior in a group. Students learn more in society. Okay, a children can learn more in society. If a children will live alone at home, then there will be no chances to improve the communication skill, or there will be no improvement in behavior. In Asimov future vision, there are no human teacher. As you are having human teachers are there, you are taught by your human teacher. But in the story, as Asimov is thinking about the school, there are no human teacher who can give you moral values. Giving moral value is the duty of their parents. As Asimov is thinking about the future school, there will be the no duty of the school to provide some moral values. Okay, there to provide the, to give the moral values will be the duty of parents, because a mechanical teacher cannot give moral values. How a mechanical teacher, a robot, can give moral values to the student? We will learn about the summary of the chapter, The Fun They Had. In the year 2157, was 13 years old Tommy finds an book, old book, which now you are having, textbook you are having. He and Margie was his sister, younger than. She was 11 and Margie was 11 and Tommy of 13. Finds it strange that the words on paper don't move after having been read. Okay, the words were written on the pages and they were on the same place where they were earlier. did not move one place to another place. The words were still standing. Nowadays, they only read story on a computer screen. The book is about the school centuries ago, hundreds year ago. The book was belonged to hundreds year ago. Margie is very surprised that in the past people had a person as a teacher. She got surprised when she come to know that a human teacher taught the student, or the student was taught by a human teacher. She got surprised when she come to know about this fact, that all the children of the same age learned the same thing. She was also surprised to know that all the children of same age learned the same thing. As you are now learning, you are, I think, same age, are of same age, and now I am teaching you the same topic. Same thing I am teaching. The teacher teach you the same things. And you also went to the school. Okay, the kids went to the school. She was surprised to know that the kids went to school house with other children. Margie wants to read more of the books, but first she has to learn with her machine teacher, mechanical teacher, whose level is too advanced for her, and she thinks school is those days has much better than today. She was thinking that her school is boring, her mechanical teacher is boring, it is not interesting. But the old school, where kids learn together, fun together, okay, went to school together, have a lot of fun, and the old school time was much better. Old time school was much better than today's. School in future will be very sad. A school nowadays is very good, and the peoples or students have much fun. These days students have much fun. For example, in the line 18, Margie says, I hate schools. And in the last line, there is written, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it and in the old days. Margie was thinking at the end of the story how the kids of old time had a lot of fun in a old time school. I also think that the school nowadays is better than in the story. In the story, there would be mechanical teacher, there will be no human teacher. But nowadays schools, students are taught by human teacher, communication is there, fun is there, study is there, everything is in our time of school. So I am thinking that nowadays schools are better than in the story, that in the schools that are mentioned in the story. Future school. In the future, the school as described by the writer, social aspect is lost. There is no communication, no social interaction is there, no friend circle is there. There are no forms anywhere. Everybody sit in front of his computer, and children cannot learn together. Students cannot learn together because every child learns the different things. They cannot learn the lesson together because they are taught by the computer teacher differently. But today's school is not as good, as funny as Margie thinks. Almost nowadays, now nobody today would say that he likes the school. If I will ask to you, would you like your school so much? I think the answer will be no, because there are so many problems. Okay, there are so many problems, like too many people, too many students in classroom, But I think regular teacher cannot be the solution. If there will be a chances to replace the human teacher with robotic teacher or mechanical teacher, then there will be the no solution. Okay, it is impossible to replace the human teacher with mechanical teacher. I think the story, the fun they had, is very interesting. It shows how the world could be in 2157, how the world would be in future when everybody earns a machine teacher, mechanical teacher would be there. Isaac Asimov Isaac Asimov's representation on a non-desirable school. Nobody want that human teacher should be replaced with the mechanical teacher or robotic teacher. Okay, of the future give you food for thought. You have to think about this, how school should be and how much computer determines our life. So in my opinion, it is the excellent story, you must read it. Now difference between present school and future school. Present school, the old school which is mentioned in the story. First difference between both of the schools regarding the material. Present school, there is real book printed on papers. It may be yellow. After passing of the time, the pages became yellow and the crinky. They are wrinkles because as the time passed, the books became wrinkles or old. Future time school, there will be telebooks, e-books on screen and can be changed. Teachers, present school, teachers are real man. Human teacher is there. Lot of communication is there. We are attached with each other emotionally, not perfectly. But in future school, robotic and mechanical teacher would be there that will provide test after test to the students. There will be no communication gap will be there. There will be no interaction. There will be no column for sentiments, emotions, and the teacher will be computer teacher or robotic or mechanical teacher will be large, cold, black, ugly, because it will be not human, it will be a robotic and it will made up of metal. Classrooms. Present school, teaching in a building, many students are taught the same things. But in future school, his or her own house, needless to leave home, each kid could be taught differently. The classes are always on at the same time every day. Homework and tests. Present schools, exams, test, paper writing, essay writing are there. But in future school, there will be no exam like on paper writing, essay writing on papers. Okay. In future school, write them out in a computer by pressing the key. You know very well about the computer. When you have to write anything, then you have to press the keys. Then put them on the slot. On the slot is a special portion is there. You have to put the homework. Okay, there will be no exams as these days in your school exams are held. Okay, in future school there will be special portion will be there where you have to put your homework and there will be only test after test. Clear? I hope now you are able to make the difference between present school and future school. You have to write an article or a paragraph on difference between present school and future school, and which school you like the most, present school or a future school. Okay student, thank you, have a nice day.